Now that we've looked at page breaks, I want to introduce you to section breaks. When you create section breaks, you are dividing the document up into different parts so that you can format them independently, meaning you'll be able to apply formatting changes such as margin size, paper size, page orientation, column numbers, or headers and footers without affecting the document as a whole. Now, there are 4 types of section breaks. There's the next page, continuous, even page, and odd page. And you can find these section breaks under the Layout tab, Page Setup, Breaks, and you should be able to see a section breaks heading, and all of the 4 commands are under there. Let's take a look at the first type, next page section break. When we create a next page section break, it's going to create a page break and a section break at the same time. So it's going to look similar to just a normal page break. Let's place our insertion point at the beginning of a paragraph. Let's go up to the Layout tab, Breaks, Next Page, and you can see my paragraph has now shifted to a new page. And this is where the status bar becomes very important. It's a great reference point when you are creating section breaks. If I was to place my insert cursor in the first page, you can see in the status bar it says section 1. And if I was to place my insert cursor in the next page, it says section 2. And from there, I can make formatting changes, let's say page orientation, and I'm going to change it to landscape, and you can see that only this section has the formatting change apply and doesn't affect the whole document. Let's take a look at the second type, continuous section break. Place your insertion point at the beginning of a paragraph, and let's go up to the Layout tab, Breaks, and Continuous. And from there, you can see nothing has shifted around, but if I was to place my insertion point in the top portion of my document, the status bar will say section 1. If I was to place my insertion point in the bottom where I have inserted the section break, you can see now the status bar, it says section 2. The third type of section break is even page section break. When you create an even page section break, it's like creating a next page section break, except you're specifying that the section will land on an even page number. So let's go ahead and try this. Place your insertion point at the beginning of a paragraph, and Layout tab, Breaks, and even page section break. And you can see if I place my insertion point in the new page here, down in the status bar, it's showing me that I'm on an even page number. Now the fourth type, which is the odd page section break, is similar to this. So let's undo, and this time let's select odd page section break. Now, when I place the insertion point in the new page, you can see down below in the status bar, I am now on an odd page number. To delete a section break, it's the same thing as deleting a page break. You have to show your formatting. So go up to the Home tab, Paragraph Group, and turn on the Show Formatting command. From there, search in your document to find the section break you want to delete, and just delete it as if it was a normal text.